Friends, welcome to Bhanot Talks, your very own technology channel. Friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you about some very cool WhatsApp tricks which would make your user experience very interesting. The first trick is about custom notifications. Now, what you have to do is open WhatsApp and select a particular contact in WhatsApp. Now, at the right top corners, you have to click on View Contact. When you click on this View Contact, a screen like this will appear in front of you. Here in the middle you will get custom notifications on which you have to click. When you click on custom notifications, you have to select use custom notifications and then select a particular customized ringtone which you want for that particular contact. For example, I am select charming bell. Now whenever I will receive a message from this contact, this particular notification tone will beep in my phone. Similarly, you can use this custom notifications for a particular ringtone which you want for this specific contact. Whenever this contact will call you, that particular ringtone would beep and you can tell that this particular contact has called you. Friends, next trick is about status privacy of WhatsApp. This is also very interesting trick. Open WhatsApp. Now on the top right corner you will see those three dots. Click on those three dots. When you click on those three dots, you have to click on status privacy. Now a screen like this will appear which would say my contacts accept and only share with. Now if I select my contacts, my status privacy would be shown to all my contacts. If I select the second option, a screen like this would appear in which I can hide my status from the particular selected contacts. Like I have selected these contacts. Now my status would be hidden from these contacts and it would be shown to all other contacts. If I click on the third option, that is you share my status privacy with these selected contacts only, so these contacts can see my status and it would be hidden from all other contacts. So guys, isn't this a very cool trick? So friends, I hope that you have liked these tricks. If you have liked the video, kindly share the video with your friends and family members and subscribe to Bhanot Talks. Thanks for watching.